In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a TV that the screen is flickering. So once you put on the TV, it keeps flickering as if it's having partial contact or the light is going off and on. So I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. It has to do most of the time is with the capacitor. So this TV, the lights keeps flickering this way, and on the screen you can see the logo keeps coming on and off as if it's trying to come on, but at the same time it's going off again. You can see on the screen it's going off and on, off and on, off and on, as if there's a partial contact or the power supply to it is going on and off. So the problem actually has to do with something on the board. You can see that it keeps flickering on and off, on and off, on and off. So this is a TV. I've removed the TV. I am going to remove all the screws so that I can get access to the board. Now for the screwdriver, there's no particular kind of screwdriver that you can use, but for the one I'm using right now, I'm using a star screwdriver. Yours can be a bit different, but what we want to achieve is to get access to the board. There's something I want to show you on the board that causes the problem, and that is the capacitor. The capacitor on the power area is faulty, and one of the signs that your capacitor is faulty is that the capacitor is swollen. So this particular capacitor is swollen. So I'm going to detach it from the board so that you can see the swollen part. So to be able to get that particular capacitor that is swollen, or to be able to check it out, you notice that all these ones that I'm touching right now, they are all flat, but this particular one is swollen at the edge. Okay. So on this board, this particular capacitor, the big capacitor, is what you should look out for. And let's see. You can see that the capacitor is swollen at the edge there. It's swollen. If you take a closer look at it, you will notice that the capacitor is swollen at the tip. Look at the tip is always swollen. That is not the way the capacitor is. Another thing you should check is the specification of the capacitor. This is a 450 volt capacitor. So what I'm going to do is to detach the board so that I can remove the capacitor and replace it with a good one. And as soon as I replace the capacitor with another one that is good, the problem is solved. shouldn't be your problem. The problem should be on the specification, 450 volts, 100 UF. Here on the other capacitor, I have 450 volts also and 100 UF, and that is what is important. And as long as the capacitor fits into the space where the other one came out from, that is what you should watch out for. So I was able to get this capacitor. You can get this capacitor from your electronic shack and just replace it. The problem is solved. Now that I've replaced the capacitor, I am going to close the TV again, then put it up. So let's switch on the TV and see. You can see that the TV came on. It didn't flicker anymore the way it was flickering before. The problem is just from the capacitor. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you some other time.